Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP19 Assess Chapter 2 Cap Metropolitan Zoo. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exams, quizzes, and for a complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can contact easily on my WhatsApp and email. Please hire me for your weekly assignments, hire me for your weekly quizzes. For complete course, I will provide you A plus grade. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. I am also handling many students courses from USA, Canada, and many more countries on Pearson, Blackboard, Cengage, and many more schools, colleges, and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Title of assignment is XP19 Assess Chapter 2 Cap Metropolitan Zoo 1.0. You can see this title of assignment first, and here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Here is title of assignment, and then under this title project description. Okay, you can see here project description. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. And if you not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you. And if you not able to do this course, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number 1. You can see this question number 1. Start assess, open the download assess file name XP19 Assess Chapter 2 Cap Zoo. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Save the file to the location where you are storing your file. Basically, in this question, we will have to download assess file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. You can see this my assess file. This is downloaded from my Pearson portal. Now moving on question number 2. You can see this question number 2 first, and I will apply on my assess file. In question number 2, create a new table in design view. Add the field's name exhibit ID with the auto number data type. Add the caption exhibit ID. Set the exhibit ID field as primary key for the table. Save the table using the name exhibits. Basically, in this question, we will create a new table in design view. Okay, then we will add the field name exhibit ID with the auto number data type. Okay, basically in this question, first we will create a new table in design view. Okay, moving on assess file, and then creating table, go to the create tab. Okay, then click on table design. Okay, table will be created in design view. Then we will, next step is that add the field name is exhibit ID with the auto number data type. Now in this step we will add a new field, and then the new field name is exhibit ID. You can copy this exhibit ID and then go to the assess file, and then we will add new field. Here is the exhibit ID. Okay, then with the auto number data type, then we will add set the data type of this exhibit ID field to auto number data type. Okay, you can see this auto number data type. Then moving on assess file, and then right click on this data type, and then we will set auto number data type. You can see this is done now. Now add the caption exhibit ID. Now we will add the caption. Okay, click on, first we will exhibit ID field, and then go to the, first we will copy this exhibit ID caption. Okay, we will copy this caption. We will have to copy this caption. Click on exhibit ID field, and then go to the caption box, and then we will add this caption exhibit ID. You can see this. First I click on here in field name, and then go to the caption, and then we will add a caption as exhibit ID. This is good now. Now moving on next step. Set the exhibit ID field as primary key for table. Okay, click on this field, go to the, click on primary key simply. Okay, select our field and then go to the primary key, click on this primary key. Okay, this will be set with primary key. Now save the table using the name exhibits. We will copy first this name exhibits, and then we will save this table as this name exhibits name. Okay, moving on access file, and then we will save this table. Right click on this table. First we will save as, and then we will change the name this exhibit. We will type here exhibits table name. Okay, we will type here exhibits, then click on OK. This table will be saved as exhibits name. This is good. Now I have done this question. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. Now we'll moving on. Next question is question number 3. You can see this question number 3. Okay, add the following fields and set their fields properties as shown. Okay, for first column field name, and then we will, second column is data type, field size property, and caption. Okay, first field name is the exhibit's name, and data type is short text, and then field size property is 15, and then caption is exhibit's name. You can see this. Okay, then here is field name actress, and the data type of this field is number. Okay, then field size property is integer, and then caption is none. Then here is fields name. Okay, initial cost, here is data type of this field name. Okay, then here is field size properties, no change. Initial cost is the caption of this field name. Okay, here is yearly. You can see this alt field name. Okay, last field name is shows, and then data type of this last field name is yes no, and then property size of this last field is no change. Okay, then caption is none. Okay, moving on. You can see this. We will add this alt field name. We will copy, and then we will add this alt field name in these fields in this table. Okay, we will have to copy first this field name. We will have add here field name, and then data type is that short text data type of this field. Exhibit name field short type. Right click on this. Okay, short text, and then field size to 15. Okay, we will, and then you can see this. First I have add this field name, then I have set this field name data type is short text, then I have set the field size properties 15. Then now we will have to add a caption. We will copy this caption exhibit name, and then we will have to add a caption in this field in the caption box. Okay, copy this caption and moving on access file. Okay, click on caption for this field for exhibit name field, and then we will have to add a caption is exhibit name. You can see this. First we will click on this field, and then click on caption box, and then we will have to add here caption exhibit's name. Okay, now moving on. Next field is address. You can copy this. Okay, we will have to copy this field name, and then add here in field name, and then data type is that number. Okay, you can see this. First I have to copy this field name, and then I have to set the data type of this address field name is number. Okay, then we will have to set the field size properties integer. Click on field name, and then set the field size property to integer. Here is integer. You can see this. Set integer field size properties of this address field name. Okay, then caption is none. Then next field name is initial cost. We will have to copy this field name, and then we will have to add this field name initial cost, and then the data type is that you can see currency data type. You can see I have added here field name, and then I have a set of this data type of this field name initial cost, field name data type is currency. Then no change is field size property, and then initial cost is caption. Okay, you can see I have set the data type of this field is currency, and then caption property is that initial cost. Okay, you can see this caption properties. I have set initial cost. Next field is that yearly cost. Okay, we will have to copy this field name yearly cost, and then we will have to add this field in the field column. Okay, yearly cost is new field, and then the data type of this field is that currency. Okay, you can see I have set this data type of this field, and field size no change, and then the caption is yearly cost. We will have to copy this caption, and then we will have to add your caption. Go to the caption box. First we click on this field yearly cost, and here go to the caption box, and then we will have to add a caption in caption box yearly cost. This is good. Now next field is that date opened. We will have to copy for this field date opened, and at this field is date open, and we will have to set this data type of this field is date time. Okay, then next date open is caption, and field size is no change. We will have to add a captions date open. Okay, moving on SS file, and then we will have to add a caption of this field date open field to. We will have to caption of this field is date open. Click on this field, go to the caption box, and then add this caption is date open. Now next is that next field is that you can see next field. Okay, field name is shows. We will have to copy this field name shows show, and moving on SS file, and then we will have to add a field is here show. Then data type of this field is yes no. Right click on this data type and then click on yes no. You can see this, I have done this question very well. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. Now moving on, next question is question number 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment. If you do not ever do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, question number 4 is that switch to data sheet view and save the table. Add the following records, letting access assign the exhibit at the exhibit name, address, initial cost, yearly cost, date open show. Basically in this question, first we will switch the data sheet view and save the table, and then we will add following records. Okay, and then close the table at the last. Moving on access file, then switch to data sheet view. Right click on this, click on first we will click on data sheet view, and then we will add following records in this. Okay, first record Asia and exhibit name. Click on exhibit name column and then record is Asia, and then access is 2. Initial cost is 20 lakh. Okay, and yearly cost is 30 lakh. Here is and initial and yearly cost is 30 lakh. Okay, and then date opened is that you can see this date open first, and then 1/15/2011. Okay, 1/15/2011 is date open, and show is that yes. Okay, show is yes. Then second exhibit name is Africa. We will have to add there Africa, and then access is 4, and the initial cost you can see initial cost instruction file 35,000. Okay, 3,50,000. Yearly cost is 50,000. Yearly cost is 50,000, and then date opened is that 2/3/2014. Okay, date opened is 2/3/2014, and then we will add show is yes, and then we will have to add here show is yes. Then okay, click on yes. Then the exhibit name is the Americans. The Americans, we will have to copy this, and then accuracy is 3, and then initial cost is 15,000, and yearly cost is 25,000. Okay, 2,50,000. Then date opened is that 5/15/2005. We will have to date opened is here. Then show is no. You can see I have added all records in data sheet view. You can see all records, address, initial cost, yearly cost, date opened. I have done this all records, and I have added this all record in this table. Okay, then close the table. Okay, this is good now. Now moving on, next question is question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on, question number 5. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Okay, moving on, next question is question number 5. Import the download zoo XLS workbook as a new table. In the current database, using the import separately wizard, specify that the first row contains column heading, set the animal ID fields to the index with no duplicates. Set the animal ID field as the primary key. Import the table with the name animals and do not save the import step. Basically, in this question, first we will import the download zoo XLS workbook as new table in the current database. Okay, please read this instruction carefully and see on my PC screen. Now I will follow and I will do this question very well. Import the downloads zoo XLS workbook as a new table in the current database using the first we will click on, you can see this, click on external data, then click on new data source, then click on from file and then click on Excel file, and then we will import file where you saved in your PC. Use the import separate wizard, specify that the first row containing column heading, set the animal ID field to the index with no duplicate. Okay, click on browse and then we will browse the file where saved in my folder. Here is zoo file. Click on open, select this file and click on open. Specify the first row containing column heading and set animal field to the index with no duplicates. Okay, do not save the import steps. Set the animal ID field to the index with no duplicates, and then set animal ID field as the primary key. Then import the table with the name animals and do not save. Okay, click on OK, then next. Okay, field name is that we will have to set yes no to, okay, index is no, and then field name is animal ID. Set the animal ID field to the index with no duplicate and then set the, click on next, choose my own primary key for animal ID, then click on this, choose my own primary key in animal ID, click on, then import the table with the names animals and do not save the import steps. Click on next. Okay, and then click on finish, then close it, save imports. Okay, do not, this is good. Now please follow my video. Now moving on, next question is question number 6. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on my PC screen total question of this assignment is 14. I have done 5 questions. Now moving on, question number 6. Okay, follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. Question number 6 is that view the animals table in design view and change the field size for the animal ID field to long integer. Okay, and change the field size for the exhibit ID and then trainer ID field to long integer. Save the table. Click the yes in the dialog box indicating that some data may be lost. Close the table. Basically, in this question, first we will view the animal table in design view. Okay, view the animal table in design view and then change the field size for the animal ID field to long integer, then change the field size for exhibit ID and trainer ID field to long integer. Okay, first we will view the animal table in design view. Click on animal table, go to the view tab and then open in design view. Okay, we will change the field size for animal ID field to long integer. We will change this field to long integer, animal field size to long integer. Okay, you can see this. Here is animal ID field and then go to the field size, set long integer. Okay, then we will change the field size for exhibit ID and transfer ID field to long integer. Okay, then we will change the field size for exhibit ID and then go to the field size and then we will set long integer. Okay, then we will click on trainer ID and then we will change the field size for this ID to long integer. Here is trainer ID, you can see, and then go to the field size, and then we will set field size for this trainer ID to long integer. Okay, set. Sorry, here is field size, you can see field size box, and then set the field size. Right click on this, and then we'll set long integer for field size for this field. Okay, then save the table. Click yes in the dialog box indicating that some data may be lost. Okay, save the table. Right click on this, save. Okay, you can see this, then click on OK. This is good. Now I have done 80% of this assignment. For remaining question, and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video, and subscribe my channel, and please add me for your weekly assignment, weekly quizzes. I am handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more colleges, universities, and schools. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. I will help you in your future. And if you are not able to do this assignment, and if you are not able to do this course, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course, and I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.